Sweetheart. Tamil movie summary. Few years ago, Vasu and Manu meet at a concert by Yuvan Shankar Raja, quickly developing a friendship that blossomed into a romantic relationship, including intimate encounters. Vasu, having lost his mother to remarriage when he was just a toddler, finds himself unprepared for the commitments of marriage and relationships. When Manu raises the topic of marriage, Vasu draws a parallel between her behavior and that of his mother, leading him to believe that all women will eventually abandon their relationships. Consequently, he decides to end their partnership. Manu makes numerous attempts to meet with Vasu and persuade him to rethink his decision, but he avoids her entirely. A year later, they unexpectedly encounter each other at a wedding, where Manu is accompanied by her fiancé. Observing her happiness, Vasu assumes she has moved on and confronts her. In response, she angrily asserts that he will never comprehend love and commitment, declaring their relationship definitively over. Manu is confined to her home after her family discovers her in a compromising situation with Vasu on Manu's birthday. In reality, Vasu had entered her home to discuss her decision to marry someone else, but her family mistakenly believes she was engaged in sexual activity with him. Additionally, Manu's niece, Deepo, catches Manu speaking on the phone with Vasu. Manu soon recognizes that she is exhibiting symptoms of pregnancy and reaches out to Vasu, despite their breakup. After Vasu acquires the pregnancy test kit for her, the results come back positive. Vasu suggests the possibility of an abortion. However, Manu does not wish to terminate the pregnancy, but she does not communicate this to Vasu, nor does he inquire about her feelings. Seeking guidance, Vasu turns to his sister, Dr. Geetha, for assistance. Since Manu is unable to leave her home, Dr. Geetha instructs Vasu to obtain a urine sample from her. Manu manages to use another person's phone to inform Vasu about the sample. Vasu and his friend Senthil disguise themselves as plumbers and enter the nearby apartment that belongs to an elderly couple who do not easily get distracted, instead requiring Vasu and Senthil to perform plumbing tasks. After considerable effort, with assistance from Senthil and the elderly couple, Vasu successfully retrieves the sample from Manu without attracting the attention of her parents. He submits the samples for testing, and Dr. Geetha informs him that the results are positive, indicating that the fetus is approximately 3 months old, making an abortion a highly risky option. Faced with limited alternatives, Vasu seeks the help of the hospital security guard, Apt Pandavan, to explore other abortion methods, but Manu remains resolute in her desire to keep the child. Manu's sister, Anu, aware of her sister's romantic entanglement, encourages Manu to set aside her pride and communicate with Vasu about her decision to retain the pregnancy. Manu notes that Vasu has never sought her opinion regarding the choice to either keep or terminate the pregnancy. Vasu informs her that abortion pills will soon arrive, and unable to express her true feelings, Manu reluctantly agrees to the procedure. Meanwhile, Vasu receives an emergency signal from a neighbor he has observed from a distance but never met, prompting him to rush over, sensing a crisis. Upon breaking down the door, he discovers that the woman signaling him is pregnant and unconscious. He learns that she is a single parent and promptly takes her to the hospital. The mother of the pregnant woman discloses that her daughter's husband abandoned her upon learning that the unborn child would suffer from a deformity syndrome and, if born, would only live for a short period. She shares that her daughter is opposed to having an abortion, despite the knowledge of her child's condition. Ultimately, the neighbor successfully gives birth. This conversation profoundly impacts Vasu, leading him to appreciate the significance of cherishing life, relationships, and commitments over mere practicality. To Vasu's astonishment, the attending doctor turns out to be his mother, who left him and his family during his childhood, leaving him in shock after many years apart. Vasu visits Manu at her home, facing resistance from her family members. Manu reveals to her entire family that she is pregnant, which takes them all by surprise. Vasu urges her not to proceed with an abortion, but Manu reacts with anger, accusing him of changing his stance and disregarding her feelings. Vasu offers an apology and promises to remain committed to her. Manu's grandfather disapproves of their relationship, highlighting that Manu became pregnant prior to marriage. However, Manu's mother, Shivkami, counters her father's objections by reminding him that Manu's elder sister, Anu, was conceived before her marriage. Ultimately, Vasu and Manu successfully reconcile.